So let's say you want to get some technical support, and let's say you want to know a shortcut key to something. Then you can go around and utilize ChatGPT for it. So let's say, for example, what are some of the handy shortcut keys for After Effects right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can see that you got all of the shortcut keys right here for After Effects, as you can see right here, just like this, and it provided it out. So let's just go around and see. My computer is stuck in blue screen of death. What should I do? So you can go around and ask this technical support questions as well. So should I do right here, just like this? Press question mark and press enter, and now you can see that it says restart the computer, check for overheating, boot into safe mode, update drivers, check for window update, and it shows out all of these possibilities, as you can see right here. And let's say my Android mobile phone is stuck in boot screen and the power button doesn't work. What should I do to fix it? So if I were to go around and press enter, now you can see that it has force restart right here, just like this, and it says charge your phone and boot into recovery mode, connect to a computer and seek professional help right here, just like this. So now if you're having some technical errors, then you can simply ask ChatGPT on what to do, and it'll help you out and give you technical support and steps on what you can do, just like this. So that is how you can get technical support from ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.